Yamona Adwe Yamona Kwabaziba oye Costa TV Jumazidu Jumazini ya Kasa ya sheshe enyimri bia no yeba yebesi nkonya na yefa nsama okotwe kwabama wo Ghana ha na ya bohu dewur ya discussion ya bebe mu na ya chekire nsam ni mu ma amanfodo no wetum watase ye ndia wo ho mrepam no yebema waso ezewomboa ezababo Jumazini ma Jumazini tum akonkan nti agopon hye webre yeda wasepa de abribia no okasafidi no oda ma erehwe Jumazi a orokodo wokosa TV atitiro oye Kasa current affairs Jumazi a enyimbribia yaba yezebra wona akwanim mezinze dani abawana emenye enuanum ebien na yewofia hade a enyimbre yeba abochichu nkomo nyo mo oye Isaac Dick o fia hade ono ye MPP Cape Coast North ya wutana engineer Isaac Dick qualified engineer accepted engineer engineer Isaac Dick o fiade ono ye MPP Cape Coast North communicator also your former two-term youth organizer also knows an ompero beje no okra ne one day gentleman neze oyanza beje hokra ntina yana eza aka ho enyo na msanso mamu nia oye honorable Bigman enyo ono ye honorable assembly member for Ayikoo Tantri Electoral area enyumbri menye nua no ebie ni ababo chonkomo ewo fia ha nene abansam damna yabaka ho asam enyumde oye drivers wasnde kanike oyaza fuel nizi obenya lorry first no obenya watum osande fuel prices na sorry ya fuel prices wakoso petrol watum kakra diesel so watum kakra drivers na watum kakra za wonso first no oba botum 30% ono oye breaking news awabotwom aha nti ebia ezebe 1 minute bi na ya chen adwen wo ho ase ibum kra wa akra wona water fuel kra ibum sinde on yaza increment no mo kwan ona wodo mo kwan ma drivers wotum increase first because we should range na we aza onyi de obia to fuel prices offend lord face the drivers nzi nka onyi de we bibidam nti so ebohwe na government accept constitution review commission's report enyo say nyina enyim de oye aban joma penjo mama obey o shebode say oba oyaza Ghana ye constitution no over 3 decades na eza ejuma over 34 years and still counting no see obama ya review na nyema bia osere yifim no ye yefim ebi osere ye kan na eza kan mo se yeten no ya atenen ozo se yo ma opa oye committee bi they want some na one share dam nsam nyina and once so was one report na kama o mampanyin na so we say o mampanyin we issue white paper wa chere there say as a constitutional review committee no one nsam a was abana nyina no abana esom nti onche be na o chere obehwe na oye wapo oye constitution implementation committee ana commission depend on izina abana pedo ozema wano na watnase na wahwe madam hyehyɛ yanko committee was abai wahwe na yezegu akonim na nyina yasanso ya bontofo na yaye no mbra a oche de Ghana fu nyina de mbra no na nyina ya hyase ye begira na ezebua omani de da minti ye bohwe na ya chen adwene ehu de anye bia issues na was about out no ebi nyi de o mampanyin 4 years bia na ekoto abai o mampanyin is was obey na 5 years na was in there order you separate oye parliament from oye executive na minister into ensanso nkoye MP nte MP a ka parliament na shemra eyo oye hye papa anade fi de onyida nko oye dam o ebebre kan aye be kire ya adwen na ye hu de dam review oye anade oran hyeda mboa omane Ghana abase dam na nka ye fi de wozu hyema oboboa mo hinso na we yifrim a efi de onyida nka we yifrim na nyina na ye be kire ya adwen wo ho na former deputy attorney general Alfred Cheyebua lawyer osi oye court of appeal na sa we ruling by the oye SEDINA TAMAKLOE ationu one man wa acquainted wa discharge no we aza we jay evidence be brave evidence papa na logu ho no mu edur nso wo bu onye ogudu we jay ho na wo ko fa asam na tra boy de maami ono na abo wontimu po de maami je ya na wo pere wo ja ne ntino kone bia nka azibia bia no ono le waka de wo be ja maami no wa fa no ho ezi ne dam ntino ono na waye wo za oseza ayoyo mo we ja maami ma ono na mo yi oyaza ibibisa ensam na ono oza atugwa no abaz na onyim ma ode za nsam oza atugwa yi ne nyina no oyaza ebezi ho nkomo na ya kyen adwen emrepam no yebama waso akonya na azwajin kire ezaba na yensa emre no wayenko nko onye hwela ozi nkan sha aso abwan no anzana yeziri wuram wo studio ha enti yebehwe na ya teedo na ya hwe Dick easy obetwoma quick one in a minute or two no say drivers no waste nipi there oyaza odo to fuel prices o sande lorry face transport face o sande in the government increase fuel petrol and diesel gas is a maintain but me sure that la ayo or cut across the three major fuel components no nti wa any drivers no ya adwen ana if there o man paying say there wa order wana wa instruct oye minister of energy there won shana won for 2 cedis subsidy bi inform brand won yin fi wo da mo ba ya no bobo before kakra nchenke yo as papa you dan ka drivers no work do what to one lorry face
na non fire ho for shit camera see na minchia Ghana fu nyina na mama Ghana fu ntase de about to one sunsun do ababiara yeboto biara the ripple effect is there. Now it could be positive, it could be negative. Na answer na more trading. No finchia no me yedeno pa farmer professor surveyor engineer Banfo EJ. Okay, mama boss. Wow boss. Nyame adom me masters me thesis. On no shama wa. Oh, no any problem. Any problem. Supervisor or the mom. I'm in charge of the Washama maybe Monday. In Jaba, my the final one, so you have to come was also extended. I'm not almost give you school. It's a prof, Michel. He has been a good father. Yeah. In my journey in construction. The prof maybe will be a Michel. Name may reverse back to my rehearsal. Danny, you see, we are dealing with people when you. We are in junction. Yeah, you the junction there. You call for 1 year you, and at every point in their life, they have mouth to talk and shout at the rooftop as if there's nothing happening. They don't have any shame. Now. Well, I'm not sure what the pro natural. I never thought that under this John Dramani Mahama, who a cast 4-year boy, named him John Jiribu Mahama, under his watch, petrol, Butumako could do almost 16 cities. I never. That diesel will also go as far as almost 20 Ghana cedis a liter. Now they have the boss, the gas, to defend this Damaju Walwari to defend it. At a time, our current the dollar is around 12 cedis. 2 minutes ago. Oh yeah, Mama Kawasam. One can Kawasam. Abra or can be more so. Abra dollar and one was so on your cosmetic one about 2 cedis. As a country, Ghana, we sell petrol at 14 cedis, almost 16 cedis. Abra Kona ye 2 tia, but no so being there. Petrol no more exam. We gave reasons. This man, today's president, His Excellency, today's president. Also, the reasons that we are giving, the Ukraine war issue, the reasons that we are giving, was a gun in the top of bomb 50, and we will do her. It's bomb and only baby Allah. But today, we are attributing this current price of fuel to America. America war.
America
How do you call it?
Iran.
Iran war.
America Israel versus Iran.
Yes. No one will go to and now walk at him. But we have people here to defend it. It's many drivers in here again. Many drivers are two about to put lights almost 36.
Almost 2024 no as what tomorrow I was there that be drivers when you about that. No,
me one year we told the 2025 want to because the argument is that petrol no back also, spare parts no back also. So they increase it. Okay. Today you have increased electricity to 36%. Water almost 20. Now at the petrol it could be 16 cities. Whilst $1.12 cities. And the $1.12 cities. What does it so much? Yes, so I don't want to talk about it. For the purpose of politics, in this fourth republic, from not even from Kwame Nkrumah, always diesel as I don't move foam. You see, you recommend I to diesel car. Because diesel no move foam. Need the fuel, petrol.
Yeah.
But under this president, my own uncle presidency, petrol, diesel is higher than petrol. This is almost 20 Ghana cedis. This is petrol almost also 16 cedis. Why? Let's actually one. If you put your car from food, one motor spare part and fully. So why are you asking them not to increase their fares?
Okay.
I'm of 100% support.
Yo.
They have every right. You've increased electricity, you've increased water bills, you've increased fuel price, you've increased diesel. Now you've increased spare parts. So what do you want them to do? Danny, what do you want them to do? So it is not the fault of the drivers. It is the fault of your vote. The vote you cast in 2024 that has landed us where we are, where we find ourselves, where now the diesel is more than petrol. I keep on telling you guys that elections has influence. Abato Wonsusondo. Now here we are. Danny, here we are. Your business so many different.
Bigman. Last night kade drivers nka wonya abota. But say wasan so we page fuel nim. So are you still there? But my parents in there one for 2 cities subsidy being from the ship. Because work also say this and work also I think
the president have even admitted that this was so low.
Oh, and that it's
all communicated sometimes we are better question okay.
Yeah, we all can admit.
Also that there's no going yet in the dancing petrol.
Okay, be my tell.
Madasi baby was in Kanebechi and Ashafona. Mechia Central the chief imam na Zomba Info. Na Mala Sheikh Munen. Na circuit the boy. I like everything by God. And we teach and we perform.
I like everything.
Everything by God. And we teach and we
we find on the 6th or so, or back about on the 6th, we're inviting all of you to demonstration. Our democracy and attack. That democracy and
attack. Big my uncle.
Nobody will go waste his time on fucking demonstration. As for now, I can show you.
No reasonable demonstration.
No reasonable Ghanaian.
But it's CJ. Ghana and you
I don't like that.
Yeah, what's up? Kasa.
I can't send the brain.
mean, come on, pardon. I will not keep quiet. He's instructing me that I should keep quiet. Come on, pardon.
because the homeless one Iran funa America welcome. I want almost
it's alcohol.
Oh, massa.
Oh, no. Ukraine. But no, Russia as a COVID no, I won't do it there. Where I have questions for him, let him make his point. Where I have questions for him, I will ask him.
Can it be possible that way?
No, you hold on. It's not for you to determine. It's not for you to determine.
Russia, Ukraine. I want the box.
Iran, America, US. This is what from your told
they will not understand anything. Bigman, honestly, His Excellency President Mahmoud the effect of the Russia-Ukraine war. My own flow. Speaking about 5 minutes. I'm a waste to 5 minutes. I'm a waste to 5 minutes.
Victoria Park, there's 6,000, no, we are in there 60 pesos. Petrol 6,000, you're 2 million. All about to petrol, no bloom. It's economy not in summer, no, say yes, car. Sika first 1,000 cities on yes, Kakabo, if it's 1,000 or what you scan, and do I 10 pesos as a 1,000 pound 1G. This is the important for the other Ghana food. But yeah, Ghana fire is Akufado no Kafa, Nala Martinami, also by the special prosecutor. Martinami to show Ghana friend, also Akufado another separate of corruption. Also, every Akufado. I'm not
or condemn with evidence.
No.
Yes, you
employ me here.
What's the name of
Did he take him to court to prove it? Did Akufado take Akufado or the Martinami to court today? Okay, Shema.
Martinami Naso will improve a one per over the
Martinami do. Yeah, he told the whole world. There is a mother.
He's substituting the
survival the most dangerous ever creature. I need them a serpent. That is the Izina Martinami do as Akufado. I don't pay it in him. Increment na wabo for no and baby baduya petrol performer is less than 10 cedis a liter anamobwa one Ghana bent for petrol no what for mama no to do pay the government papa. There are a lot of factors. We are not living an island. We are living in a global world. Because they know the man can do magic. And then I can show these drivers. And I saw you there. I saw
magic.
Maba, sorry, I'm opening. Young woman, your unexpected war.
Yes, party office.
No, yes, party office. Yeah, run the party. Young woman, your party office. Party office, no accountability. I'm not a it's maybe a man will do no economy walk or junk state. You do your bouncing back. No say challenges kakraba. You try best to improve the challenges to Ghanaians. Our say is small. We don't have problem. But as if before, now you can't that is where you see the anger of Ghanaians. It's a brown evidence as there or you have to some or you just a stop
less than 10 important ones want to know one told when you the government should have insisted.
Oh, the problem is the price control where money move. It's one may barely take advantage of the system. No more you more pay. But I'm telling you,
that is why I always have a challenge, you know, because they create any price control into Obia more, but then we shouldn't blame any politician. Yeah,
that is the reason why as country, you know, as country, you know, also they get to know. Because say I am the dama oh more a man. Okay. Atasa. Me tell me say na ya baba tno there. E man dey tie ko ni dey e bia be no ntas. Eti na ya ka che Ghana for the wonya bota. E ya pe no operas. No one see petrol no mabu because he sala me who can say to one start operation. President Mamu wa tax on there. By next year we make sure we go to a day you go to ya done 1,000 crude oil. Ghana ya none ye first in the petrol quota as in or ya abundant in Ghana. Since I be one in back. This is a government ordinary man. It's a kind of one year but me aduma. By next year say that Sami Ghana a man stable. I remember Kasa in this view because I know what I'm saying. Do you know the reason why I'm not for President Mama Uncle for the third term? Do you know the reason why? Because of Amambu property. It's about an Amambu de Papa. Ghanaians are work market, they feel the governance. Ghanaians are what your construction, they feel the governance. Ghanaians are what they feel the governance. It's all about some. I mean, I always say the drivers when you have because only baby a catch on one told was a factor SBB. About me, Jawan. It is a sister, there's a challenge. Na sanya sacrifice eja echina wo ka bibi ebe ja tuma ya ji tumo enti what say area funansa na ahwa wonsa if they are like they can go ahead and do whatever they want to do but aban wo tum sen one sambano so na aban so ya na aza me bia na ka jina party chi ombaka da obaka sakasa enzamo beso amanu because it's a young Ghana for ibino wa wana adwin there se ma no ko ya osende ye sen ye create tension when a system no now am from there aban onye damas no send floor we can continue doing that at this stage first na only traditional media eto akaka mepe but since that because of technology no social media na zenzama be wa ka first check na wa check am say what to transfer drivers when you abota nzema ma ezen kakra yan kada nzema enye wa ezen kakra but listen it's far better than the previous government. Into one year, but I am aduma. If they also go there, okay, Papa, John Dramani. Okay, no. Into yanko, my kai, when I was in there, say I brand tiaba another kitty waha, Central Region ha, Ghana for nibi bia, na say Italian, na erection and so. No, almost na anything about Sunday Okomo Ankasa. Aza. Costa TV Multimedia Production presents a 6-week intensive radio and TV training program designed to equip you with practical media skills for today's competitive industry. Participants will be trained in the following courses: news gathering, news reporting, radio and TV presentation, camera handling, video and audio editing, news writing, voice training and diction, interview techniques, digital journalism, media ethics, media law. Na bebre na okakanwa there was one azibi offer in some children biano oba chechel ye wo qualified professionals wo ha wa reader with much deeper experience obotum wa chechel da nyema nyina enti bomos na bra oye Kosa TV ye obi anana nto bra ha na bafa form na fill na fa bra na yema wada ebutumi ahyedwumazin aseno na so de ebutum mpo afre oye 0246 731 371 0246 731 371 onya homotrofa ebotum afre na information further information bia pebia no ebotum waza amo na moye do training ho mponyi de se ye theory ni nyina wi a oyaza yezo Costa TV ahade no onye yam partner media houses radio stations no onye newspapers sa ni nyina no e very fair wakoho na ya more intensive oye internship practically
na no so etum awidar wo ho wonsa agi adwumanum pefe dem obeya se wonyuma so nya bibia aka ye internship no nyina na be wie no kire wafo adwuma wo appointment letter oda ho ma oba forma ayedwuma fefe nti momozna training no 8 September na ebotum ya hyase na ya yedam training nti fiti na ya orukọ 8 September no momozna na fa form ana frank motrofon 0246731371 na entumi nyom twonkomo na enche 6 weeks intensive training na yabaye yazama wona wopere wosua nsamtro edwuma no ntihya so netu adamba na obobo papa aleye Bigman ma share ya simfi winchan na yen share oye afetua yebo a oye former deputy attorney general osi SEDINA TAMAKLOE atienu ni acquittal and dischargement na oye appeals court was a ban whereas we jai evidence no ankasa wo ho na wokohwe asam na nyodo what's na ho na what's in there wa quitting we discharging no chede wonzu for so ehwe asam na ankasa oye court no wozi nka na wogina do wozi asam na odanka wotum wo hwe damma judgment no ansampo na obakade oba take any action bia na we take we agree there about to some of the issues no only substance but the a lot of them about 18 of them no were so clear before wa won nempo ohun there na me or a strong case ozema oye oman count if there said na ja we jan no kwanda anyi oye mbana na woza yedwuma appeal court no na wa share oye judgment no what say ano was there oye former attorney general or file oye weak case or pro no na waka peme mse minyana na kasa na mse one was say
attorney general is not saying that
who is not saying that?
Attorney General have never said that. The previous Attorney General.
I didn't say that.
I thought you said Attorney General.
No. Mr. N1, I'm referring to NDC communicators. Was say the previous Attorney General filed a weak case. Okay. That is what I'm saying.
I thought you were
Attorney General is
saying
Mr. The previous Attorney General, Godfrey Dami, filed a weak case on the SEDINA TAMAKLOE issue, mass lock issues. Until now, appeal court no share na was in the discharge no come on then
no before I proceed in 2016 no fuel price 3 cedi 48 pesos to 4 cedi per liter which translates to about 14 to 17 cedis per liter 2016 okay
so na no ya hin na we take over
na make sure that
no matter say
na ya around 17 cities dropping before
azu huni of you kwai fa I can ask some enye ya adwena odroda why you think he went wrong na as information zaba but no nyabuta mepere muhu amount na oye ansana NDC will take over 2009 7 January 2009 NDC will take over from the Kufuor government. How much was the fuel then?
From 2020 to 2024 no 13 cedis 15 cedis per liter
20
end of 2024
2020
I can't ever find before 20.
check 2 and I'm not sure
about the late Atamis Nabro, the time Atamis about 5. Atamis or hand over from Kufuor. I was as a 2016 when NDC was leaving. But I said, I didn't dispute that.
Problem with it. This is it. I don't know the one. I'm telling you the system here 2016.
I'm missing there. Help my audience.
Current. You say I got 2016, 2020. That's the time if you remember. 18 I must start to 2016.
Okay.
What do you know?
Continue. Odru, why? I want you to give me that one. So note it down and keep quiet for him to speak. Na Kasa Oduwoda no more time na amend am reference no Bigman yenko
Deputy Attorney General no Sabas
and you also there were a lot of evidence
your papa onya dama Attorney General no me no when Japaka said that was in jail at force me onya wana onya dama group of people na
no in jail no
onya there were pede wo jail dem na make onya dama kofia
and so onya hwia one for them court
ebe onya hwe mama Kasa mencho hwe NDC ni biala MPP for jail onya dey pokun wezi school mama kana wakada wankade no was part of money nkayede no was a jail the same applies to Chachu Chikata GNPC what was the scale code duamu it was the jail Chachu
Mr. Operation of
yes Misappropriation of funds the actual public interest account committee Esha
no let them deal with them
you that is the reason why you have to travel now that is the reason why you have to travel now
and the travel was about MPP funtia
travel now so MPP NDC but even not supervising madam misappropriation no kwado atasa and the people na system TV what's the extra break na corporate break 3 million euros no was it where's the scan
okay
that a criminal entity that attorney general also 1 year na na some other court as the canton also so ko bi mboko anwa wa poto no ze egu za court no court jo no sa na government zo na ina so wa pro nzama ze be wa pro enti yen wo so nyege osande ye kokotugu asebo si court because some of the procedure now kwano we be say prosecutor there ekede osinyo ekede say na engine do bia engine do bia enti anokwa yankara political prosecution yankara political prosecution because mama
okay Atufosun was a target by the president and the president you know Opera will make sure that will be jail Atufosun.
Yeah, that was the plan.
And so people said it. There are two cases in the case. I don't want us to go there because the president knows so well. Adamu Sakandi. No, the same process now. If I don't know, Onumpo we jailing at the end of the day, no.
Adamu Sakandi is on the same process because he denouncing it dual citizenship in the certificate number. But when as all your process on your event or a different from process.
The certificate number, yeah. Why do you have to?
Allow me to talk. What are you telling me? Process the end result.
The process one process another one starts.
Adamu Sakandi is one year. But your process I want to denounce in this dual citizenship. Mo ultra money certificate wa ba na ya
into no west it's no ekade na why determined they were pede wo jail na he was no jail
no
because due process was taking place.
I mean former mentina met one kase yo because the kind of atrocity occur every day being a scandal. None of the scandal they were able to deal with it. This group of people when most are Ghanaians spoke with her, I was sent to Mama, since I'm out from working on here because of prosecution or conducting a mouth when you're about to. And I'm sure Ghanaians, when you're with her, they will see proper prosecution.
Like a minute. Certain amnesia or the whole clear, yeah. Says that people are even agitated.
Do you read the ruling?
Yeah.
Judges now one more ruling.
May read. But from what I've read, no.
Yeah.
I mean legal background, but I also think that appeals court, no, under every circumstances, some of the cases now issues now original do also acquittal woman no I mean I will do the same and on some of the cases no I will make sure that she accounts for it and some of the charges
one okay renegotiation no one okay renegotiation no remember the one man can some near 4 foot I think renegotiation but one okay renegotiation
Dr. Stephen Amo and isn't there kana
Dr. Stephen Amo one okay negotiation
yeah they say 1 year
you see mama
for judgment debt
this group of people are former attorney general of which the workers are how many units are most about more consumer
nama enya pressure
what I'm a pressure to me 1 year good service I'm not gonna do kurumpo what they care is party
I said go for them so kama abanpa o otwe kama abanpa o mankofo wozi abaniska otwe sika no
judgment obeno chire dem mame onye the evidence of the
Bigman, do you honestly think that this woman was not at fault?
Yes,
I think ejizi dama
because manslaughter kewa oye umbrella was here juma
okay
and this woman on kakata I mean no I not tell personally them atasa it's I mean I know there's some easy being no asa I've interact with that person and with that I'm a catcher or there I called Joseph Yami they Marty I bet you know the statement over there. You open one fast track, one investigation. No one for find the symbol out. Maba. Say you pay him now. No relationship. You know, and you must was sorting.
Yeah.
So I tell you what, Kadamina Maya, you will doubt.
Yeah.
So quickly you call me. That is the reason why sometimes if you were yet to answer, we call them direct. Because in there, you see, I'm coming. Yes, in the Zamayan. That means amazing. Oh, you hook a crack.
We all agree.
Yeah.
The Damna Otsi.
But it is Attorney General. Yeah, court is in there, I mean. What this quit and discharge. And Tassi. Go back to court.
We should go back to court.
One was 1 Tassi there, court and release him.
You are not representing the Republic.
No.
Attorney General.
And I'm in a winner, ruling a wabi. Sano Mentasa, what to Masana for court for interpretation. Yes.
No. So who is doing that? No. That is a different scenario. But what we are talking about there, court, no, together with the states. Or man was a court. It's the state versus. And
man is in your interest. And I'm here to me, Papa. No, there. Attorney General
also about Supreme Court. Also, you to follow Supreme Court. Misinformation.
Dick. Do you expect me to come and say what
Bigman?
I'm not representing Attorney General here.
He's not representing.
No.
He's representing his party. I call him here as a communicator of the NDC party, which is in government.
The NDC.
Hold on.
I'm representing the NDC.
Hold on. Government aside. Government aside, party.
I respect the viewers. It's not a baby among us all. Because that was because Saban Attorney General also opposed you to Supreme Court. That is the reason I'm catching that. I'm now in
the state as a offender or many lawyer. Honestly, there on judgment ACQUITTAL in your internal book, there is a legal vacation. Into say, when is Juma, he also starts
the
and
process.
then proceed.
No, what proceed or
Judgment then I'm now. How come we are saying
the
this?
subject of factor or subject of factor Obibia and Brana Oko Quarter when this more we say something to know the evidence the game of the
name of the game is evidence.
It is evidence and what it's that is you but our can different because we varies.
Okay.
Let's have that.
But the truth is always one.
The truth is one.
We have our
the woman is innocent.
Okay, so you cannot draw that conclusion because appeal courts in there, but previous judgment not in there was for. So let's wait till the Supreme Court comes out. Maminte, Dick Boko,
You get a party that is confused.
Even MPP is not confused. MPP when he leadership. MPP, no. I will not allow you. I will not take that for him. MPP when he leadership. Everybody is doing what he wants. No, we are getting a court where your demonstration and answer behind this party. I want to put no sir. Don't go there. Okay. I told you, as I be moved to my stand of what? A people want to do.
Where would we feel?
I'm
topic.
I'm
if you get parts where you're confused. Confused. That is how they communicate. Party now are banning. Other will communicate on behalf of the party. Abandon to come and communicate to. The party communicates on behalf of government.
Okay. Now
on this show this evening, the government is on one side, while the party is on the other side. Are you getting me? Now, before I go there, also Martina Medu or describe Nanado as the mother serpent of corruption. So we should take it. Is that not the argument? Is that the argument? That we should take it. We should take it. So we should take words from Martina Medu. We should take him serious. This is the same man who described this current president as the most or you see Bofu or tell a whip in the Airbus issue. He said, and he also even attribute me. I'm not there, but you heard it. That a certain committee to investigate current president and vice president and chair of the then president. These are words from Martina Medu. Describing him as a useless vice president. So do we take it? Do we take it? No. That's it. So he describes Akufo-Addo. That's it. No. Abba also work with John Dramani. You see a confused government I describe. You see a government and the 17-man government that is confused. That Martina Medu works under Akufo-Addo. So yes, the Attorney General before in NDC time, Mama time.
You know it's not possible.
They are confused.
Politically. And
politically doesn't make
platform, it doesn't make sense.
Logic. The former running mate will be what logic? I say you are confused.
Even geographically,
are you telling me
that's not.
Current one, and the brother. Yanchi Fima, the brother paying in the deputy. What is
Is that what you are saying?
That is different.
Is that what you are confusing?
He can do it. Why not?
Lamid, I am confusing.
I'm not confused.
No more than confused. So now, okay, business that you do, okay, business that I don't know envy. Let's go ahead. Kwamina, economy, what's what Joe Abedi, junkie state.
Junk states. Economy at a point of